I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're dealing with a transfer pending issue on Movistar 2026, follow these steps to resolve it quickly. Step 1. Check your network connection. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the iShrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Restart your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can clear up any glitches. Turn off your device completely, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Step 3. Update the Movistar app. Ensure that you have the latest version of the Movistar app installed. Go to your app store and check for updates. Step 4. Clear app cache. Clearing the app cache can help resolve any data conflicts. Go to your device settings, find the Movistar app and select Clear Cache. Note, on some devices this option might be under storage instead of directly in the app settings. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the issue persists, reach out to Movistar customer support for assistance. They can provide specific guidance based on your account. I hope these steps help you get your transfer sorted out. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.